We're going to be starting with these introductory tasks, and first with task 1, which is moving your robot forwards. So, if we open CsBot, and we want to go to this panel here where we want to click on the competition tab. Then we want to select AI here, which stands for Artificial Intelligence, which will bring up this development panel. We can now program the robot by adding statements to this statement tree here. The program then loops this statement tree here, and the highest statement which has a condition which is true, the action is executed. But don't worry, we're going to go through this as we build up the program. To start with, we want to add a statement. So we want to right click here and select add new substatement. So we're going to get our robot to go forwards. So we're going to give the action forwards. Okay. We can now set the condition. We want our robot to go forwards whatever the condition, so we're going to leave all the conditions blank and we're just going to set an action. First of all, let's set the direction of the wheels. We have a choice from -5, which is full speed backwards, to +5, which is full speed forwards. So let's set our wheel left and our wheel right to forward, so they're both going forwards quite fast. Now we're going to leave the duration as 60 milliseconds because this statement is repeated forever. So we want to use a short time, so when we have other statements which might interrupt the statements can occur. So now we've built our program, we need to save it. So let's call it first program. Okay. Now there's one other step which we need to remember to do, which is building the program here, which is this button here with the 3 little arrows. This is when we take the program we have written and convert it into a file which can then be uploaded onto our robot. Okay, we can now exit this panel here. Now we can load our program. We can choose to load it into either the blue or the red robot here using this load AI button. So first of all, we're going to load it into the blue robot. So we click here. Now we find the program we've just written. So that was the first program, and you notice here we have a .dll file which we can then load onto our robot. So now click the green tick, and we can now start our robot here, and we can see that it's moving forwards. So we've now completed task 1. However, that's not very useful as it just crashes all the time. So task 2 is going to look at moving around the field, so detecting walls and then turning.